Welcome to HGreg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Ferrari Roma. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Alright, I'm not seeing any scratches in the front. The driver fender looks good, and I'm not seeing any curb rash. Not see any dents on the door at all or any scratches. And let's have a look at the quarter panel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back. The back looks excellent. I'm not seeing a scratch back here at all. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks excellent. I'm not seeing a scratch on it, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now the passenger door looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches behind the mirror. Both sides are perfect. The doors look good. And now the last fender has no scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look inside. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Everything here looks perfect. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. Let's start off with the center console. Alright, let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the leather and stitching looks good. Also the carbon fiber. Perfect. The interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.